Day and everyone, today let's talk about a small story we all can relate to. The story is about the king with his 4 different wives. Once upon a time, there was a rich king who had 4 wives, beautiful lives. He loved the 4th wife the most and adorned her with rich robes and treated her to the finest delicacies. He gave her nothing but the best. He also loved his 3rd wife. He loved her so much and showed her off to neighboring kingdoms like a possession, like a precious something. However, he feared that one day she would leave him for someone else or another. He also loved his 2nd wife. She was his confidant and she was always kind and considerate and patient with him. Whenever the king faced a problem, he could confide in her to help him get through the difficult times. The king's 1st wife was a very loyal partner and had made great contributions in maintaining his wealth and the kingdom. However, he did not love the 1st wife compared to the others, but although she loved him deeply, he hardly took notice of the 1st wife at all. So one day the king fell really ill and he knew that his time was extremely short, going to finish fast. So he called all his wives, asked the 4th wife, "I have loved you the most and taken great care of you all my life. Now that I'm dying, will you follow me and keep me a company?" "No ways," replied the 4th wife. And she walked away without another word. Her answer cut like a sharp knife right into his heart. The sad king asked the 3rd wife, "I have loved you all my life. Now that I'm dying, will you follow me and keep me company?" "No," replied the 3rd wife. "Life is too good and too beautiful. When you die, I'm definitely going to die, going to get married to somebody else." The king's heart sank and turned cold. Then he hopefully asked the 2nd wife, "I have always turned to you for help and you have always been there for me. So when I die, will you follow me and keep me company?" "I'm sorry, I cannot help you this time," replied the 2nd wife. "The very most, I can only send you to your grave." Her answer came like a bolt of thunder and the king was devastated. Then a voice called out, I will leave with you and follow you no matter where you go." The king was surprised and looked up. Where is this coming from? And there was his 1st wife. She was so skinny because she suffered from malnutrition. Greatly grieved, the king said, "I should have taken better care of you when I had the chance and I had the time." The 4th wife is our body. No matter how much time and effort we lavish in making it look good, it will leave us when we die. Our 3rd wife is our possession, status and wealth. When we die, it will go to somebody else. Our 2nd wife is our family and friends. No matter how much they have been there for you, for us, the farthest they can come and stay with us is up to our grave. But our 1st wife is our soul, often neglected in pursuit of wealth, power, and pleasures of ego. However, our soul is the only thing that will follow with us wherever we go, even after the death. So cultivate, strengthen, and cherish it now. It is our greatest gift to offer to the world. Have a great